No es fácil. ¿Qué vas a hacer con tu hijo? ¿Qué le vas a dar?
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at his face.
Right. People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
She was a fairy.
The cat is broken.
Mind.
Let me hear a meow.
Này đây.
Oh, that's good. Right.
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh! Normalize you not touching my charger.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
High five. Hey, come on. Oh!
Как тигр делает? Ох. Hey. Para que haga su chamba con una mariposa.
No, no va a saltar. No.
Meow, 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 ow!
Oh shit!
Do the thing. Oh my god.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
No.
What happened?
Sparky? Who's stuck inside? Oh, you didn't use it! Oh my god! Hi?
Oh, that's good. Yeah. Misty.
Yeah. To sit like that.
No! What are you doing? Beans! Or someone else is gonna pray.
Vậy bạn ơi.
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
I think that just dripped oil right on her face.
Are you good?
I need my jacket.
What's that so hard? Well, why is it? Why are you such a little bitch?
Oh no!
Huh?
Dude.
Oh, she's not. Oh, so sorry about that.
Oh god. Thank you.
need my referral so I can book the appointment.
I'm sorry, I just asked a question.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Oh my god!
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Ay, mag-ikaw!
Panda! Open the door!
You're not gonna react? Oh.
It's gonna be hot.
Come here.
Ow! Ow!
Oh shit!